Welcome again to my video here. This is uh, a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up a web server. Basically, we're just going to go to noip.com, and from here we're going to select a host name. So I've already went through all of this, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you can put in a username, you're going to hit sign up, and then upon hitting sign up, it's going to send you an email, right? So you get an email, and then you're going to confirm your account. When you go to your account, um, you would see here where my DNS name has been created already. This is mine's configure, right? huudak.webhop.me, right? So any person that I want to give my web address, I will give them this information. So what we're going to do here now is as well download. We're going to go back here. We're going to download the client by hitting download. Once we download that information, we're going to as well configure it and install it. So from here now, we're going to open up the client, which is the DUC, right? You're going to log in. It's going to give you a login. It's going to be the same email that you use to log in and create the account initially. It's going to sign into that, and as you can see here, the information is here. Hit save on that. Right, so it's using my IP address, my current IP address. Additional to that, what we want to do is download XAMPP. This is the Apache host that is would host the website. So we're going to download that and install that. Alright, so what I want to show here is that how I got the index file to be in there. So basically, after installing the XAMPP application, you come here, you scroll down, you search for XAMPP, you go to htdocs, and this is where I inserted my index file, which is the HTML file that I have when I pull up my web server. And we're gonna hit XAMPP, and then we're gonna start the Apache configuration, right? So you're gonna hit start, and from there you are going to host your website, so the website that we created. So alright, so what we want to do here now is go to the name of the web server that we created. So I'm now gonna copy this, paste this in the web browser, and this would be the index file that we have here in our XAMPP application. So basically that's all in creating a web server, a website server, using these two applications. Thank you very much.